It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. When we hear such great feedback from someone who's experienced impeccable service, we're motivated to pay it forward and continue to exceed our 5-star service goal, one experience at a time. It's that simple. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.